Hello, guess what? I am going to be doing a product unboxing, unpacking. These are some very beautiful lamps, table lamps that I got from Amazon. They actually have a USB port on them. I am unboxing these. So let's get to it because I cannot wait to start using these. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who is looking for any affordable lamps or accessories like to decorate your home, any decor. All right, so let's see what we have here. All right, so this is the base here. Okay, remove all that. Ooh. Wonder if I have bulbs. I think I do. I think I have some extra in the pantry. Ooh, shiny, shiny. So as you can see, like on the base, there's your USB phone charger, which is one of the main reasons why I chose this beautiful model. There's your on-off switch. All right, now the fun part. It's this here. All right, oh, it comes with extra crystals in case you lose any. All right, let's set that on there. So I was really concerned about the size of these. I did not want them to be too small, but I didn't want them to be too big. I would rather them be too big than be too small. However, just from what I've seen so far, these are going to be perfect as far as size. Okay, so it's packed pretty good. Oh, the crystals move. I didn't know they moved. I thought they were going to be stationary. This lamp is so pretty. This lamp is so pretty. Okay. So they actually come in a pair. So you'll be able to see them side by side once you get them taken out and put together. So what I'm doing right now, you can probably hear it, is taking this off. This is going to be what secures your shade. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. I'll leave the link to this exact set in the description box. So this little piece here is what secures your shade to the base. And it's better to put that on before you put your bulb on, okay? Before you put your bulb on. So I have to tilt that a little bit. So I had this set in on my wish list for a while, and so finally getting it is like really satisfying. So there it is. Is that not like the prettiest lamp ever? So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the other one. Now I don't think, is this the dimmable? Yes, this is the dimmable version as well. So you can do light or dark for like mood lighting, which is pretty cool. So yeah, these are super pretty. I'm just gonna sit this so you all can admire how pretty that is. Look at that. Goodness. Oh my goodness. So I'm getting the other one set up. So I'm going to have to get, I think I might put colored lights in these. I think I might put colored lights. We'll see. We shall see. So the extra crystals, these are actually for both lamps. So if one of your crystals gets lost or falls off for whatever reason, then you'll have those two to choose from as far as, oh wait, no, oh, I take that back. There is another set, there's another pair of spare crystals. So look, one and a one and a two. So there are a total of 4. So if any of your crystals fall off, then you will be able to replace them so you'll have a pretty tacky light. All right, so I'm gonna put the screw, or put the these have to be like the prettiest, like best inventions ever. So there we have it. I have them both set up. Now I just need to get bulbs in them. I need to get bulbs in them and get them put on their respective shelves. All right. So thank you for checking out this product unboxing and review. I'm absolutely pleased with these lights. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to seeing them lit up. I am totally looking forward to that. So it does come with an instruction manual, which you see I did not use, but they seem to be put together properly. All right, so let's see. Max 60 watts. Okay, that shouldn't be a problem because I'm actually going to go with a lower wattage for like mood lighting and to have like a softer lighting in the place where I will have these beauties. All right, so be sure to check these out. The link is below in the description box. If you have any product suggestions for review, any questions, please use the contact information below to get in touch with me. And for business opportunities, use the contact information as well. All right, thanks for checking out this video. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye.